How are we? How you're doing? Today, I will taking you through five key elements that you must include in your statement of purpose, no matter the course you're applying to. Very, very, very important. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Janet, and I love to laugh a lot. I love to laugh and smile because it's key to good health. And yeah, on this channel, I actually put you through on the tips and tricks you need to study abroad. Yeah. So make sure to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel to see more of me. Okay. So the first element that is key is the hook in your statement of purpose. They call it the hook section, and it should be the very first thing you do. This hook should focus on the motivation. What is the motivation behind you applying for this course? The key elements to include in this hook is a spark or a moment of realization. What happened? What suddenly happened that made you realize I have to do this? I have to solve this problem. And that is why you're now applying for the PhD program. The common pitfalls you want to avoid is starting your statement of purpose with my name is. No, please, you don't want to do that. Or since I was a child, I have always wanted to study this course. No, 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 please. That is a pitfall. You don't want to do it. So you could start with a spark. You could say something like witnessing institutional injustice in blah 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 in my community, or gender inequality in my family, or things like that. What how is that spark connected to you? Like why all of a sudden you woke up one and say, okay, I want to do a PhD in so in this field? There must be a reason, right? And that's the hook, the motivation, right? Second, you want to focus on your academic foundation. Focus on academic foundation. The pitfall would be that you are listing your grades. I had an A in this, in international law, I had a B, or repeating your CV. No, it's a four. Because I said academic foundation does not mean that you should now say, okay, I'm going to, because they have your CV already. So why now list that CV again? But this should focus on your readiness. What has prepared you for this? How have you been prepared? The relevant research you have completed, the specific theories that you have mastered, the high level project that you have conducted, things like that. That should be your number two focus. That has prepared you for this course, right? It's like going to the farm. You already have the axe. You're trying to say, I have the axe to do this already. So you're trying to mention that. And please remember that this should not be a repetition of your CV or listing of your grades. Yeah. So the third thing you want to make sure to include in your statement of purpose is the institutional fit. Very, very important, because the admission committee is wondering, why are you applying to a university? Why not any other university? And make sure that at this part of the statement of purpose, you are not vague. Don't be vague. Don't just be in the space. I am applying to your institution because your institution is very beautiful. You don't want to say that. You don't want to say, I'm applying to your institution because I've heard that your institution is a very good one. That's just a compliment. Is you're just trying to, don't flatter them. Be specific with the why. Why? Like, why this specific? Is this a specific professor that you have read is working for our interest align? Is it maybe they have unique research labs that you think, okay, I've read about your research lab and I think I want to do this, do that. Or maybe they have specific course modules, sorry, course modules. Okay, I've gone through your specific course modules. Your course in this would be useful for my research in this. You want to be specific. They know that, okay, this person has done their research. Also, the fourth one is professional breadth. Make sure that you're not just mentioning your experiences that have no link to the course. Some people are they're applying for maybe a PhD in maybe health science, and they are listing experiences in banking. It's not linking. Even if you have experiences in this other field, you do not have to. Yeah. So don't mention experiences that have no link to the course. Mention work or maybe volunteer roles that have shaped your maturity and practical skills that are directly linked to the course. And yeah, the last thing that you want to make sure that is included in your statement of purpose is your future goals. Make sure that you are being clear with what your short term is. Short term is 1 or 2 years, or maybe 3 to 4 years, right? It's always within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Then your long term goals, maybe 10 years. What are your 10 years career goals, your 10 years career objective? You don't want to be too modest, or you don't want to end up, I don't have any plan, or you just want to end your this thing like that. No plan, no. What is your plan after graduation? I hope that this helps you, and I hope that this advice will be useful for you when making your next application. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Have a great day. Bye.